Welcome. Are you getting any problem which is written on the board? Look all these terms. If you getting any words in your result, then this is video is for you. And this all these are problems here, and I will explain why it is in your result. This is the problem, and I will provide you the best solution. Then what should you do and what you must do, okay? And how can I help you to promote you in this year? I mean in April 2020 annual examination, and you have a good opportunity. And I would like to say that this is my first English video, and this is video because of my South Indian friends. I mean, they requested me to make some video in English because there are the many students in South India, they don't understand Hindi properly. So I will try to make English video in coming days, okay? I can understand that I will have to work hard because first I will make Hindi video and thereafter I will have to the same topic I will make in English. So no problem, I am ready to work because you don't call me YouTuber. Actually, I am a tuition teacher and I believe in hard work. I will explain you everything. Firstly, I will explain the problem, why it is, and thereafter I will provide you solution, the best solution, and which you must do because this is the golden opportunity for all students, all fail students.
सारे हम लोग खड़े हैं यहाँ पे, पूरा एनआईएस खड़ा है। आपके इश्यूज को हम लोग सुलझाने की कोशिश करेंगे। आप अपना एप्लीकेशन दो, एनरोलमेंट आईडी दो और मोबाइल नंबर दीजिए।
हमारा रिजल्ट इतना गंदा क्यों दिया? सरकार ने कहा कि पास करेंगे, तो उन्होंने पास क्यों नहीं करा?
अच्छा देखो बेटा, ऐसा है, अब आपका एक मिनट, अब आपका ये कहना है कि पास नहीं किया, लेकिन आपको क्यों नहीं पास किया गया, उसको एक एग्जामिन करने की जरूरत है कि नहीं?
Because as per the NOS officer's comments, as he is told that if you have any problem, then you have to submit your application. This is the golden opportunity for you. So what should you do? I will tell you in the video. First of all, pray to God. Jai Shri Ram. This is Virender Giri. And today in this video I welcome you. If you are new, then please subscribe this channel, and it is your duty that you have to make this video viral in South India, okay, so that everyone can understand. If you getting any problem to understand Hindi, then please comment me, okay? I will make you especially English video for my all South India friends, okay? So please like, share and comment. In comment you have to write Jai Shri Ram, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Okay, let's start. Firstly, I am going to explain the first term, SYC. SYC means, friends, SYC means subject act to be clear. It means if you have a SYC in one subject, it means you have to clear practical and theory. Okay, it's clear. Now talk about the second term, SYCT. As you can see here, CT. T for T refer to theory. Yani it means you have to in which subject you have a SYCT. It means you have to clear in theory. Okay. T for theory. Now talk about the SYCP. SYCP means P refers to practical. It means you have to clear practical exam in particular subject. In which subject you got SYCP. Okay, clear? Got it? Okay. So now talk about the AB. AB means absent. Absent means if you are getting absent, it means that you did not attend exam, okay? So but if talk about the exam, after 19 March there is no exam because there were lockdown in India. So if you getting any AB means absent, is a technical error. So AB for absent, but it's not your fault. Understood? Okay, now come to the next point. NC means not confirm or not checked. Actually, I want to say that here this word refers to not checked. Now talk about the next point. Next point is if you getting X triple X in your result, and in place of pass if you get X triple X, it means if there are some condition, if you are a TOC students and if you did not submit your original fail mark sheet or other documents, you have completed, you have submitted your all documents which were necessary, then it's also a technical error by the NIOS. Okay, so now talk about the next. If you getting RW, because RW means result weighted. Many students told me that they got RW in their result. Okay, so it's also maybe a technical error. So all these problems I explained to you. Now talk about the solution. What is the golden opportunity for you? As you know that from 16 August, I mean of this month, you can pay exam fee for the October session, but don't pay exam fees. Before that, you have to take a chance, which is the golden opportunity for you. As NOS officer said that you have to send him application. Now the question is, how can you send your application, and in sending application, how can I help you? So actually, you know that I'm a tuition teacher and my tuition is in Delhi, and I am just a 1 hour distance from Noida head office. So now talk about the solution. The solution is, you have to send application and I will help you sending application. Okay, now talk about here. You can see this is my number, okay, and this is going to be a paid service. So you can, on this number you can talk to me, okay, because this is my tuition number. And if you want to search, if you want to get information about my tuition, then you have to search this number on in Google, and you will get Google page of my tuition center, where you can get all type of information. You can get the direction, you can get review, you can get all course detail. So, and I have a one request, give me the 5 star. So now talk about the next solution. As you can see, this is my number, this is tuition number, and this is just only WhatsApp number. Okay, if you want to talk to me, then you can call me on this number, okay, and we will discuss about your problem, and I will suggest you how should you write an application, okay, and how can you send. Now if you are ready to send your application, then you have a two choice. Now first is the direct means you can direct send your application by speed post to Noida head office. But if you live in Delhi and nearby Noida head office, then it is very good option for you. But I don't say that, because I have many students, they live in Delhi and they requested me to send his application to Noida. Okay, so thanks all my Delhi friends. Now talk about the next point. If you are out of Delhi, I would like to clear one thing, that it is our paid service. Okay, now listen here. So if you are out of Delhi, then I explained that you will have to pay 700. Okay, you can pay me by Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay. Okay, this is my this number is registered on all three payment apps. So now this is the 700, this is my charge. If you want to understand the why I am charging 700, now there is a detail. Print means due color print, its charge is 100, and I will send your printed color paper on your WhatsApp. You can also see. Know anyone on YouTube who can provide you such type of service. Now talk about next. Two-side fare. Two-side fare means 200, because post office is not near my tuition center. So two-side post office fare is 400. Okay, it's a fare. I mean cab fare. Now next, speed post charge is average 50. Okay, because on speed post from the on speed post in from section we mention your local address which is available on your Aadhaar card. Understood? So okay, now next it's a 150. It's our staff wages. If we add all expenses, then it's total 700. Now are you ready to pay me 700? If you are interested, then you can call me on this number. Before paying me, you can call me, you can talk to me, okay, and discuss everything. Thereafter you pay. So now I have cleared your confusion, and so there is no any problem. You have to must send your application, and you can send your application from Delhi. I will help you. I would like to clear. Firstly, we will send you on WhatsApp your printed documents, okay, and color printed documents, so you can understand that your document is ready. Now next, I will send you envelope with your address, okay, so you can look that your envelope is ready. Now and the last stage, after speed post, we will send you speed post slip. So with the help of the speed post slip, you can also track your speed post that which is delivered. Now again I request you make this video viral in South India, because if I get the more comment from South India that sir make the some new video and other video in English, then I will also make the other video, because if South India means all people they don't understand Hindi easily, I will make English video for my all those friends. So now it's your duty to make this video viral in your area. So if you new, I'm again requesting you, please subscribe this channel, like and share. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care. Jai Hind.